I like her, but she's too low. Nope, he's picking her for it. Then he intimidates.
Rampart. I felt you can attach. Wow, that's great. There's also one to do 5 images.
Hillary's new pictures with her new Polaroid. Come on. And meet everybody. Yes. Roger, this is RuPaul.
Hello, RuPaul. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you?
I'm doing swell.
Good. How long you in town for?
I myself spent 150
RuPaul.
with the carrying case and the filters. It's comes to it.
Hillary, this is RuPaul. He's doing a show at Limelight tomorrow. But
Hi.
look at these new Polaroids. I've never seen anything like them.
Some of them are good, some of them are not too good.
This is like a new Polaroid.
Oh wow, look at these. These are some interesting ones. These are recent and some of them are interesting.
And RuPaul, do you know Nozomi and Mark?
Yes.
And Debbie?
I have a picture from Woodstock in there, but it's not.
Oh, this is a good picture of you. These are all tonight?
Yeah, there's some ones.
This one.
This is in Manhattan. Look at the blue and the green. It's on 37.
Nelson, darling, have I introduced you to Kate? Kate, this is Nelson.
Okay.
How are you?
Hi, baby.
Hi, how are you, Nelson?
Okay.
Are you having fun tonight?
Yeah.
So,
I got a little uptight, didn't want me to do a show, but I understand performers' nerves. I can understand. I had nerves, you know, once myself.
One.
well, we're going inside to buy cigarettes. Bye.
Oh, okay, bye.
Bye.
Oh, this is wonderful.
Yeah.
He looks like a vampire here.
Yeah.
Where's this in Manhattan?
I found this
Look at
sushi
you, Ed.
party and I brought it.
Oh, no! Check it out.
It's like
Go for it.
United Nations? No.
Yeah, yeah, we were there. International Women's Day.
Shoes off, please.
Oh no.
Use the soy sauce. You have to use the soy sauce.
No, it was International Peace Day. It was like a few days ago. Peter Gabriel, Tuesday.
This is incredible.
I took that of myself actually. I just
They're starting to wear. Have a topic though. Now you gotta do it.
You're not eating that cow. Eat it.
The one who just went to the store.
Yeah.
This is really good. Oh, it's incredible. It's
Yeah, I know. I'm just like, I'm too impatient.
wonderful. Yeah. It's really good. We've been trying to give it away.
Trying to give it to so many people, they wouldn't people don't want it. We're like, we were
Get
dying
myself
for sushi and nobody else will even eat it. And it's like, it's not good if you give it, you know, you want to eat it. Homeless people wouldn't give it. Isn't it good? Are we going to be in a music video now? Sushi video.